Firstly, I'd like to apologise for the rather disjointed update last time. GoPro was playing up and dropped a couple of files, which is annoying. Hopefully it's alright this time. And secondly, I'd just like to say thanks for all the great messages of encouragement that you've been leaving. Really means a lot and helps. So cheers for that. So I'm about 3k in to another 7k now, and yeah, not feeling too bad. Properly warmed up now. And you may be thinking, well, 7k, you nearly finished your challenge, but at the end of it, it does feel like there's still quite a way to go to add that last 3k. It is another 2 miles, folks, nearly. It's getting up to 5k now. Once again, sorry about any rain spots on the lens. Not feeling too bad. Last 2k. There we go. Another 7k in the bag. Thanks for joining me on the update. Thanks for your support again. And I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers all. Bye.